Tips for longer and thicker hair. Here's how you can grow your hair longer and make it thicker naturally, with oils and a proper hair care routine. 1. Hair care routine. Oiling. Hair oil tips. Coconut oil nourishes hair from roots to tips and promotes growth. Castor oil helps thicken hair and reduces hair fall. Amla oil, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, it strengthens hair follicles and promotes shine. How to use. Mix equal parts of coconut oil, castor oil, and amla oil. Warm the mixture slightly and massage it into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours, or overnight, and wash with a mild shampoo. Scalp massage. Regular scalp massage boosts blood circulation, stimulating hair growth. Massage your scalp 2 to 3 times a week using your fingertips. Use mild, natural shampoos. Avoid shampoos with harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens. Opt for herbal shampoos or those with natural ingredients like amla, retha, and shikakai. Conditioning. Use natural conditioners such as aloe vera gel, yogurt, or honey. Apply after shampooing to make hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Do a deep conditioning treatment once a week. 2. Diet for healthy hair. Your diet plays a key role in hair growth. Eat protein-rich foods, eggs, fish, nuts, and lentils. Include omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts, flax seeds, and fatty fish. Add biotin and zinc, found in bananas, spinach, and whole grains. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair hydrated. 3. Natural hair masks. Apply these masks weekly for better results. Egg mask. Mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, apply to your scalp, and rinse after 30 minutes. Banana mask. Blend 1 ripe banana with honey to repair damaged hair. Fenugreek, methi, paste. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight, blend into a paste and add yogurt, and apply for thicker hair. 4. Avoid these mistakes. Don't overuse heat tools, straighteners, curlers. Avoid frequent chemical treatments like hair coloring. Don't comb wet hair, use a wide-tooth comb. 5. Lifestyle tips. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily to reduce stress, which affects hair growth. Exercise regularly to improve blood flow to the scalp. Stick to this routine consistently, and you'll notice significant improvements in your hair's length and thickness.